Hello, everyone. Welcome to the class of E-Plan and Electrical Control Technology. In the last lesson, we used macro technology to draw the schematic diagram of main circuit of this project easily and quickly. Next, we need to continue to use the part-based design method for drawing control schematic diagrams. First, let's recall the part-based design method. There are two main steps. Step 1, create parts. Step 2, draw an electrical schematic diagram. Next, let's take a look at the specific operation steps. Step 1, create parts. First, select Tools, then Parts, then Management in the menu bar to open the component library. Find the parts under Electrical Engineering in the pop-up dialog box of Parts Management, and find the required parts under Parts. If there are no such parts, right-click to select New to create a new part. According to the need of drawing control circuit graph, it is also necessary to create an intermediate relay. Next, find the relay and click New. Fill in the part number. Both the manufacturer and supplier are Chint. Fill in the type number and order number in sequence. Next, click Function Template. Click New. Select the coil function definition in the pop-up function definition column. Fill in the connection point code as A1 and A2. Add a function symbol. Find the coil symbol. Click OK. Continue to add the function definition of NO auxiliary contacts. Fill in the connection point codes as 13 and 14, and associate the symbols as NO auxiliary contacts. Continue to enter in the Installation Data tab with the width of 45 millimeters and height of 69 millimeters according to the actual installation size of the equipment. In addition, you can associate the picture file of the equipment at Picture File. Click the following extension, find the corresponding picture file, and click Open. Fill in the option information and click Close. At this time, a dialog box asking whether the part data is synchronized will pop up. Click Yes. Complete the creation of parts. Once the part is created, the next step is to draw a schematic diagram. Earlier, we have introduced one of the ways to draw a schematic diagram by inserting symbols first, and then associate them with parts. Today, I will introduce you to another method of drawing a schematic diagram, that is, directly insert the created equipment in the drawing. The specific operation method is as follows. Open the control circuit page. Right-click the mouse in the blank space of the drawing. Click Insert Equipment. Select the part number we just created from the popped-up parts selection. Click OK. Modify the equipment name to KA. and insert coil symbols of other equipment with the same method. Next, insert the contactor contacts. There are also two methods for you. Method 1. Right-click the mouse in the blank space of the drawing. Select Insert Equipment. Select the contactor part to be inserted in the pop-up Parts Selection dialog box and click OK. Click the mouse at a suitable position on the drawing once, and a coil symbol appears. Click for the second time, and main contact symbols with connection points of 1 and 2 appear. Click for the third time, and main contact symbols with connection points of 3 and 4 appear. Click for the fourth time, and main contact symbols with connection points of 5 and 6 appear. Click for the fifth time, and NO contact symbols with connection points of 13 and 14 appear. Click for the last time, and NC contact symbols appear. We can put these symbols in the blank area of the drawing and move them to corresponding positions as required. Of course, there is a second way to insert the equipment. Open the project data in the menu bar. Click on the Equipment Navigator and click on the contactor KM1 created. So far, it is clear which contacts are available at a glance. The group of contacts to be used when drawing can be directly dragged by clicking them to the appropriate position in the schematic diagram. In contrast, this method is simpler and is generally adopted more often. Insert other equipment in the same way to complete the drawing of control circuit. The above is the whole drawing process with the part-based design method. Have you got it? Okay, everyone. In this lesson, we focused on the drawing of schematic diagram of three-stage conveyor belt control system. Through learning, we know that when drawing a schematic diagram with part-based design method, we can insert symbols before associating them with parts, or associate parts before inserting equipment. The two methods have their own characteristics, and you can choose them according to your preferences. I hope you can practice more after class to master this design method. Okay, that's all for today. See you next time.